folks, this is Brad Young from MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today we're here talking about the Sun Cruiser 210 from Harris Float Boats. First thing I'd like to point out about this boat is this heavy duty boarding ladder. 4 steps, super high quality, so you can able to get in and out of the boat easily. This boat is equipped with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke that has C-Star hydraulic steering. As we walk this way, I'd like to show you about a patented design that Harris has. It is an M bracket, and as you'll notice, it goes from the very back of the boat all the way to the front on all tunes. And what this does, it creates a stable platform for the boat so it does not shake and rattle as you're going in those choppy bays. As we come around the side, you will notice that this pontoon is actually 2 tunes that are separated so that if you ever get in an accident, the whole pontoon will not fill up with water. And I do love the gray with the blue accent on this boat. So step around with me and we'll climb aboard the boat and I'll show you the inside. And as we step aboard the 210 Cruiser, you'll notice that we do have an anchor point for a tow rope for pulling skis and tubes. It comes with the bimini. We have plenty of storage on the port and starboard side. Both these cushions both lift up. And then under this one we have the trash receptacle to put all of your trash. Plenty of cup holders that are all lit and illuminated at night. As we move forward, we've got 2 captain's chairs. And as you'll notice on this side we have a door, so it's easy to get on and off at the docks. And then at the helm area, you'll notice that we have a Fusion stereo system. All your good toggle switches for all your lights and things. The steering is hydraulic. You've got a hydraulic C-Star in the back for your motor. Then you'll notice under the helm here, we have a table which you can use when you have to go out and have a party and drinking. You can use that table. Then as we move forward, you've got more storage. This boat has plenty of storage, folks. Then you've got your door coming off the front of the boat. This is Captain Brad at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Give me a call if you'd like a test ride on this boat. My number is 850-420-1802.